Hola, hola, mi nombre es Pablos. Necesi... Necesito ayuda para ganar un deer. Necesito una ayuda. Buf. Él está muerta. Levántate. Levántate, güey. Levántate, güey.
Calm down, man. Okay.
Necesito ayuda para ganar una reindeer. Do you know anything about a reindeer?
Italian, vegetables.
Is that the reindeer over there?
No, very no.
Where is the reindeer? Okay. ¿Qué está haciendo? Go over there. Hey yo. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Wake up, you little piece of shit. Yo, what do you want, fool? What do you want? Necesito ayuda. I'm not gonna fucking help you. The fuck you trying to talk to me? Stupid little fucking dog. My name is fucking Pablo. Tu pinche madre. Get over there. You, what the fuck? Ooh, you fucking bitch. How would that feel? How would that feel, huh? How would that... What the fuck? How'd you grab me? Suplex, nigga! Boom! Yeah, how would that feel? How would that feel, huh? How does that feel? The wrath of my mighty dragon! How does that feel, huh? Get out of here, helicopter! Yeah, you want help? You want help? You want help? Why is there a truck in here? You're not for this episode, you retard. Get out of here. Come here. Come here. My final attack. I've got something that you don't have, reindeer. Oh, what is that? The power of the crackheads. The crackheads. No!